Okay guys, welcome back. Hope you've been enjoying some of the videos we've got up on the channel. And yeah, please, when you get a chance, please subscribe. Press the like button if you like the videos. It'll help us out a lot. What we're doing, I'm getting ready to make some jaffles. I'm making egg jaffles this morning. Okay, and of course, this is how I prepare egg jaffles. But before we prepare the egg jaffles, we first have to clean the jaffle maker. For that, we use good coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil helps prepare the jaffle maker for the jaffles and cleans any dirt out that's in the jaffle maker. You don't want any dirt in there. After all, it's got to be nice healthy food. So we heat up the jaffle maker and get coconut oil everywhere. Okay, coconut oil is alkaline, so it's very good for cleaning. I use it for cleaning most of my cooking utensils. When I don't use them, can't put them in the washing machine or in the sink to clean them up. Oh, a bit hot. So we use coconut oil, which then takes off all the leftover butter and whatever else came out of the jaffles, the fats and the other problems. Then it's baked on. You can scratch off by hand as it gets warm. And it gives a good clean, but totally healthy, totally safe, cannot hurt anybody that's eating it. It's actually very good for you. It's one of the things we should be actually eating as a food. It's coconut oil. There's nothing wrong with 1 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil a day. It's very healthy for you. It actually has omega-12 in it. You hear about omega-3, 6 and 9. Omega-3 you get fish oil, omega-3, 6 and 9 you get into flaxseed oil. And omega-12 only comes in 2 places: breast milk and coconut oil. So if you haven't had coconut oil before, and if you're lucky you're raised on breast milk, a lot of kids aren't getting that today, so there's a lot of problems happening because they're not getting the omega-12 that the body requires, especially for the brain. Breast milk, very important. But yeah, omega-12, very good for you. For the brain. It's one of the few oils that actually get through the brain barrier. So, that's got that cleaned up. She's warming up. We've got our bread. This is the one I like using. It's one of the better ones on the market. All the rest are too dry. I don't feel like real bread. This one at least feels nice. And holds it well. Then of course butter. Got to have butter. Real butter, guys. If you're not cooking with real butter, you're not cooking. Okay? It's got to be real. Now, of course, to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan, to the jaffle maker, you need to butter one side of the bread. You put it in there without the butter on there, and all that non-stick rubbish they think they've got on there, it doesn't work at all. Okay? It just sticks to the side. And of course, the flavour of the butter goes through the bread, and you can't beat that. It's really nice. If you've ever had jaffles made with margarine or made with no butter at all, and then you try ones with butter, I tell you what, you won't be going back to the other ways. Only butter butters, okay? Remember that. All the rest, make believe. All right. Now, oops, got something. Here it is. The salt. Who stole the pepper? Ah. You can't do this without salt and pepper. Right, now, what we've got to do, the Himalayan rock salt. Either Himalayan rock salt or Celtic sea salt. Don't use table salt. Okay, it's disgusting stuff. 1/3 glass, 1/3 aluminium, 1/3 salt. Okay, it's been refined. Look at this. This is the correct quality of pepper, guys. Some of you may take some time to get up to this, but anybody that knows anything about cooking, that's what you want to have. Flavour. Okay, flavour is what it's all about. Oops. There we go. And this is why we shop around for a jaffle maker that doesn't have that middle run in it. You know, the one that goes through the middle that splits the bread. Very hard to do this with a jaffle maker that has that. You just can't get 2 eggs in there. So they get what egg in there. Alright. And of course, eggs, one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Oops. Can't get past eggs. I love eggs. Okay, they are extremely healthy for you because of their cholesterol content. Okay, and if they're actually grass-fed, which is very hard to get a grass-fed chicken nowadays, they're usually stuck in a pen and never ever see grass. All they ever see is grain. A grain-fed chicken does not give you K2. K2 you get from grass. Okay, K2 is very important for the bloodstream, for helping to eliminate fat solids that are running down and clogging up your arteries. And that's not cholesterol, by the way. Well, it is cholesterol, but it's not caused by cholesterol. What it's actually caused by is the fact that you have bad salt that you're then absorbing and going into the blood vessels, and you're ending up with scratched arteries and scratched blood vessels, which then need to heal. Now, cholesterol is what the body uses to heal. Okay, it sends cholesterol everywhere, like every soft tissue organ in the body, your skin, your brain, your heart, every muscle, every part of your body that's made out of soft tissue, it's not bone, is made with cholesterol. So, good idea not to eliminate cholesterol out of your diet, because without it you die. Okay, cholesterol, very important. Round that way. And that's our jaffle. Okay, look at all that butter, beautiful. Okay, we'll let that cook. And that will be our jaffles. Did you like that? The salt, the pepper, don't forget the pepper. Pepper is very important. Himalayan rock salt, whether you buy it in a container like that or you refill it, we buy it by the kilo and refill. Okay, and Himalayan rock salt has 86 minerals in. Most of those minerals are very important for the human body function. Okay, help the body function through all the stresses and things that happen during a day, your daily work, and what happens through the body through the natural course of life. But unfortunately, just salt itself, the Himalayan rock salt, the sodium in there helps you absorb no more than 50% of the minerals that are in this. Now, there's even iodine in there. But once you add black pepper, the pepperine in black pepper helps you absorb the other 50%. So a lot of things you learn along the way as you go learn about natural health. Very important, guys. All this stuff, don't just believe me. Get on the internet, chase up Google or whoever you're searching through, whatever search engine you want, and start looking at natural health. Start looking at the things that are healthy for you. Find out the health benefits of real butter, the health benefits of eggs, natural, especially if they're grass-fed. You know, grain-fed not so good, grass-fed better. Same with grass-fed meat. Anything that's natural, done naturally. Grains are not our staple diet. Okay? We're not supposed to have all that grain-fed stuff. It's bad for us. And especially when half the grains are all GMOs now, all genetically modified, like canola oil. Canola oil is when I was growing up, there was no such, well, we didn't even know what canola oil was. It didn't come in until the 70s. And when it did come in, canola oil was a rapeseed plant, and turned it into oil in Canada. It was a process that Canadians invented, turning rapeseed into oil. They call it canola oil because the first, I forget the separation, but the first 3 letters of Canada, C-A-N, is how they came up with can-ola, C-A-N, something oil. Yeah. Anyway, sidetracking. Don't take canola oil. Canola oil is bad for you. Shocking stuff. Okay, disgusting. But anyway, there we go. We check this out. Oops, they're stuck together. Ah, sticking. We will come back. I'll sort that out in a minute. Let it cook a little further. And yeah, check it out. As again, see what's happening on the internet as to health benefits of Himalayan rock salt, health benefits of pepper, health benefits of butter, health benefits of natural eggs. You know, all these things, coconut oil. You've got to check it out yourself. You guys have got to do the research so you guys can become healthy and be able to help others. Thanks, guys. I've got to prepare these. It'll take a little bit longer to get to cook the eggs right through. There's a lot of egg. Okay, love you guys. Catch you soon. Don't forget the little subscribe button. Thanks. See ya.